In this video, I'll walk you through how to transfer money to Morocco using Remitly. Remitly is a secure and affordable option for sending money internationally. If you're new, sign up using the link below and get your first transfer fee free. Now let's get started. First, open the Remitly app or you can visit their website at remitly.com. And if you don't have an account, again, you can sign up for free using the link below and enjoy a fee-free first transfer. If you already have an account, you can just simply log in using your credentials. Now, once logged in, choose Morocco as your country or destination country on this section. So you can scroll down until you see your option, or you can type in Morocco on this part of your screen and select that from the results. So after that, hit send money. Now on the next step, type in the amount that you'd like to send first in USDs. For example, I'd like to send $100, and then you'll have an automatic conversion on the corresponding currency. And once you scroll down, you'll be able to see the current exchange rate and also the fees that you'll be paying for the transaction. After that, hit continue and then select your delivery method. So you can go for bank deposit, cash pickup, and also mobile money. So for bank deposit, this transfer funds directly to a Moroccan bank account. For cash pickup, your recipient can collect cash at partner locations like Wafa Cash and Cash Plus. So let us go for cash pickup for this tutorial and select a cash pickup option from the options that you have. So I'm going with Cash Plus. And now enter the recipient's name. So this information should match what's on your recipient's ID. So you need to make sure of that. So first name and then their last name. And then hit continue. Now if you'd like for your recipient to receive some transfer updates, you can type in their mobile number on this section, but this is completely optional. So you can skip this one. And now enter your payment method or select your payment method. So for Remitly, you have different options for your payment method. You can go for bank transfer, debit card, and credit card. And then once you click on to this one, you'll then have to type in your card information, the card number, expiration date, security code, and your name as it appears on your card. And on this part, just double check your billing address. Make sure that this is correct. Now, once you have typed in, just hit this next button. And before finalizing on the next step, just make sure that you review all the details of your transfer. And you also see the estimated delivery time, which can be as quick as few minutes for some options. Once confirmed, you'll receive a tracking number to share with your recipient. So that's it. Sending money to Morocco with Remitly is fast, secure, and also reliable. Don't forget to sign up using the link below to enjoy your first transfer fee free. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.